How to remove Zelle account from your bank account. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. There are 3 methods by which you can disconnect or deactivate the Zelle from your bank account. The number 1 option would be using your banking application. So for this, make sure you have the latest version of the banking application installed. Once that is done, tap on it to log in. Once you have given your credentials to get logged in, navigate to the settings. This might usually be found under Profiles or similar section. Now from there, select on the Zelle option. There should be an option to deactivate or unlink. Tap on it and confirm your decision. Keep in mind that if you cannot find the unlink option, you might need to contact your bank for the further assistance. Now moving on to method 2, you'll have to use the Zelle application. For this, log in into your app and sign in. Once that is done, look for the option of deactivate my account. After that, provide your bank account information and confirm the deactivation. For the third method, you'll have to call the customer support. It could be your bank account or the Zelle customer support. Make sure you have made your routing and account numbers ready. After that, contact your bank and then give in the details that is required. Make sure to explain why you want to remove your Zelle from your account. Likewise, you can even call the Zelle customer support and get ready to answer questions to connect with an agent. Make sure you do not have any pending transaction before unlinking Zelle, as removing the service will prevent further transactions. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.